Guys, back again with another video. Today we'll be checking out this beautiful 1985 FERIO SE. This is my dad's car. He picked it up for $1,000, and I was like, I'll be honest, we have already started doing stuff to it. I'll pop the trunk a little bit and show you what he's already done. But yeah, got it for a score, 86,000 miles on it. Now, these cars are pretty rare because they only came out for 4 years. It's the SE model, but wish it was the GT because it would have the back wing and other perks like that. But nonetheless, it's still a nice car. I love the pop-up headlights. This thing's badass. But yeah, let's just hop in here and see. And I was like, during this video, I will be giving it a clean and showing you guys the aftermath of it. Now this door, you can see it's all taken apart. That one we need put back together. Now these cars weren't made the best with the Pontiac's material. Look at the speakers. That's funny. Alrighty, we're gonna hop in here. But overall, did I say 86 now? 87,000. Look at this. Interior is still very good all around. I love the speakers. These are hilarious. Let's see. Headliner needs to be fixed, but that's fine. Look at original Pontiac keys. Nice armrest right here. Pop this bitch out. What the fuck we got? Oh, original Pontiac book. It's pretty badass. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna start it up. I'm going to put the mic in the back so you guys can hear cold start on this biatch. Alright. Alright guys, cold start. Dual exhaust are very nice. Yep. Now she's fucking purring. Alright. I was like, yeah, this car is very interesting, very unique. If you want now, you can put you guys down for a minute. Hear that going? Alright, you guys seen it start. It goes. Now I'm going to get back to you later guys when I'm going to start giving this a clean. Alright, just gave her a good bath. She's looking pretty good. And it was funny because I was just talking to my dad, and this was her first bath in 10 years. Now, we've done a lot of work to it. I was like, I'm going to pop the trunk and show you. But I was like, he's never cleaned it. This is the first bath in 10 years. And yeah, you can see there's a little like mold and stuff like that. If I brought the pressure washer out, I probably guarantee you that it would have came off. But I just gave her just a quick one. You know what I mean? And yeah, she's looking pretty good. And like I said, first fucking wash in 10 years, which is insane, honestly. So yeah, I already got the hood, like kind of frunk popped. This thing does not have a lot of storage at all. You can see you got the fan, spare, just all. It's pretty cool how they fit it all in on the front and then a bunch in the back, which we'll go show in a minute. But I was like, yeah, when he did pick this up from this guy, it's been sitting in his yard for 10 years. He there was a rock or something on the ground, and it did puncture one of the lines in the bottom, and I think that was for coolant, so he had to get on that pretty fast. Pop that. And then yeah, so we had to do a new coolant line. But I was like, we do have a lot of parts still, but currently in the thing state it is right now, I would love to drive it, but we don't have brakes on it right now. This was the thing, just so the battery wouldn't really get fucking all wet and shit. But yeah, you just keep those off to make it easier. But I was like, you do have a little bit of space to put some stuff in. It's pretty big. You can actually stand in it. Here is the 2.8. Put the motor literally sideways. 2.8 V6 FERIO motor. Now obviously you can see these aren't original lines. New spark plugs. He's ran that to the trunk. He's been doing a bunch of little things. Thinking obviously new oil. He's flushed everything. Flushed it all out. Trans, brakes. He's done it all. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty jammed in there too. It's not the easiest motor to work on, but still pretty cool in general. But yeah, there she is. And this isn't gonna be the last video you guys can see. We're gonna do brakes. Did he put no new calipers yet. There's a bunch of parts in the car, a bunch of parts in the garage, like I said. But yeah, this is not gonna be the last time you see her, because she's definitely not road worthy yet. And I'd love to bring you guys on a ride. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.